Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab, and most of you are saying we are not getting full score on this lab. So basically you need to watch the video till the end to know how we can get full score on this lab. Please follow the video carefully. Now once the lab is opened, in the description box I've shared this repository. You have to simply select it, open any notepad, paste it over here. Now from the lab instruction, you have to simply copy this region and simply update the region carefully. Carefully update it, otherwise you'll get the error. Also here we have to update. Once all these things are updated, copy it, paste over here, hit enter. So here we are doing that, we are just manipulating the instance and just increasing the number of instance, CPU utilization and auto scaling mode. It will take few seconds, so wait for it. So if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the description box. Wait for a few seconds till it gets completed. So finally here you can see it's being created. So let's see the score. So here you can see we have got the score. So you need to update the region. Carefully watch the video. Directly jumping into the GitHub repo won't help you to complete the lab. Okay. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day.